I need to paint my nails. Die for these pants. I literally don't need that. Kane buys it for me and then takes it from me. This is our Christmas trip because everything is already booked out for December. It's fine. It's fine. It's technically already Christmas. I feel like I've seen people put up their Christmas trees already. The weather forecast for the next like 2 weeks is completely rainy. So we're gonna go stay somewhere super cozy. Think cabin, campfire, rainy vibes. On the agenda, we need to firstly book the trip. That's like #1 priority. And then I need to go to the stores and pick up a bunch of stuff. I'm like running low on so many things. I don't have a toiletry bag. I think we'll go to the stores first. Do I have my priorities mixed up? Probably.
Can I get a mini chicken burrito?
Yeah. Burritos also aren't really a priority to this packing day, but if I'm hangry, I'm probably not going to be the most productive packer. All we need to get is some travel containers because somebody stole mine and didn't give them back.
I actually borrowed them from Sarah one time and now I don't know where they are.
They don't really have anything that we need except for these packing cubes, which are only $3. Having a little bit more success in store #2 because they actually have a huge selection. I love these folding ones. They're so much better. I'm actually gonna get this. It has a drawstring and then you can unravel it to be completely flat and you can see all of your makeup.
Sarah's gonna spend at least an hour here.
You think black because then they won't stain and then they'll all match.
Surprised Sarah even knows where I am right now. She's literally been on Pinterest for the last 10 minutes.
Every single packing list is for a beach holiday. We're not going to the beach.
Anyone wearing one of these is literally asking to be robbed. Didn't I buy you one of these?
And then you stole it. So I don't understand.
Apparently I steal everything and don't even realize.
That's literally true. Kane buys it for me and then takes it from me.
Including her clothes. Now for the bottle shop. Straight to the rosé.
This is my section. Just getting the essentials. You gotta have the cozy cabin vibes. And rosé is a must for that. It hit me in the eye. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. this morning and it's currently lunchtime and I am so tired. I got this big toiletry bag and then I got this one which really just looks like a shower cap. Travel bottles, more travel bottles, sets of packing cubes, one for Kane, one for me, and I always use these tanning drops. Oh wait. Eins, zwei, drei. I don't know if that's even the right word. I'm practicing German right now. This is me trying to count to 3. Tim is watching this video like
wrong. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Booked.
Okay, now that we have finally booked the trip, I thought I would start packing and I actually ordered a huge package off of ThredUp, which I'm really excited about because ThredUp's actually sponsoring this video. You guys already know that I love them. If you don't know ThredUp, they're an online consignment and thrift store. They basically have a bunch of affordable, sustainable fashion and you can shop ThredUp from the comfort of your own home, which is also my favorite thing. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in here. Let's have a look. How cute is the polka dot packaging? I love an oversized sweater, so I found this one from Beach Riot, which is so cute and cozy. This is the best quality ever.
Can we share it?
Wait, this would fit Kane too. Okay, that's a problem. It's like the perfect oversize to be a dress. ThredUp does have their own holiday shop this year, so it's really easy. Everything is one place for you to find your super cute, cozy holiday looks. Next, this would look so good with like little flare pants. It's just this little simple tank top that has a little tie-up feature on the front. This one's from Brady Melville. I'm thinking flare pants in like a fun color. This is what I'm most excited about. I've been waiting to open this just for these pants. This is by the brand Leith. They're these like wide-legged orange like suit pants that are a little bit flared. This with the brandy crop top would be so cute. This is what I love about ThredUp. You just find so many hidden gems. I'll just go on and search my favorite brand names and find stuff like this. These pants. Oh, I die for these pants. This next dress is a little out of my comfort zone. It's by the brand Motel Rocks. I was a little nervous about this outfit, but I just put it with some boots and I think this is so stinking cute. Next up we have this little skirt, which is by American Apparel. Literally still has the tags on it. With a knit sweater or just like a regular oversized sweater, you do a little bra tuck. Holy heck, this is the nicest quality ever. This skirt is by H&M. It's just like a little tennis skirt. I love this outfit. I don't know what it is about like pleated skirts t-shirts, but they really do remind me of the holidays. We have this little white floral t-shirt, which I think would look really cute with a bra tuck, a pair of jeans. Lastly, I got these jeans, which remind me of KANE because he has a pair of jeans that look exactly like this. These were from H&M, just a cute pair of jeans that would go with pretty much any kind of top. But like I said, ThredUp has created a holiday shop where you can shop cute holiday cozy looks for a more affordable price and also shop sustainably, which is really cool. And you guys can check out ThredUp's holiday shop by checking out the link down below, and you can also get 30% off your first order using my code SarahB, so make sure to check it out. I'm gonna go pack. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna get it done. Washing is my least favorite task, and I've had this basket sitting in the laundry for like a week, but I don't have any underwear to take on this trip, so we're gonna fold it up.
Sarah is kidding herself that she's gonna take just this suitcase.
I need a backpack.
And a duffel bag.
I'm not. We're going for 2 days and the plan is to just be cozy in the forest. I don't need all this stuff.
You say that, but I genuinely just don't believe it.
The place that we're staying at has a sauna. I'm so excited. And a like outdoor tub. There's always socks that don't have a full pair.
Zoom in over here. I don't know who doesn't close their sock drawer and not get a little sock poke out of it. It's literally so annoying.
Mission accomplished. I have some underwear.
And still nothing packed, and we're leaving tomorrow. You need to start putting stuff in here, pal. Open it up. So I thought I might just do Sarah a favor and get this down for her. She's definitely gonna use this bag.
I literally don't need that.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I'm not sure how we are mostly through the day already, and I'm only just opening up the suitcase.
Where did the duffel bag go?
I'm not packing in a duffel bag, pal. So we're going for 2 nights and 3 full days. So I technically shouldn't need that much stuff. The property that we are going to stay at actually has like a bunch of hiking trails on there. This is my activewear. I think I'm just gonna take like this long sleeve with the matching leggings. And if I can find the crop in here, this is my activewear bucket, which is excessive. Maybe this green crop. For pajamas, I normally just wear like comfy shorts and then an old sweatshirt. Also, welcome to my closet. I feel like she's actually kind of clean for the first time ever, which I am very proud of. Did do a small cleanup before we started to film this. I'm probably gonna take this sweatshirt and then I'm gonna take maybe like this white one because I feel like it goes with everything. I'm just gonna put together some outfits so then I can take photos of them because it's the best life hack for not overpacking, and then you know what you pack. Here is the packing situation. I love just laying out the outfits that I want to wear. I'm gonna go through and take a photo of each of the outfits so that I can remember what I've packed. I have 2 dressy-ish outfits that can also be mix and match. Like I could wear this sweatshirt with these pants that I just got from ThredUp. I tried to keep it pretty neutral so everything can be mix and match. Like I have this little jacket and beige pants. We got some underwear, socks, and then I also am bringing a swimsuit because we have the sauna and then we also have like a tub outside and then some activewear.
That's what it matches your Hydro Flask.
Oh, it does too! This stuff just here actually isn't looking too bad. It's the toiletries where I'm going to overpack. Now for toiletries, I'm kind of excited about this. I can envision us doing like face masks and stuff on the trip, as in not with the boys. I can't envision them doing that. I love skincare, so I'm definitely gonna take more than I need, but that's fine because I have heaps of room left in my suitcase still. And here is all of my skincare. Down here, I have my reusable cotton rounds. I'm gonna take a couple. The reusable cotton rounds have been a game changer. They literally are exactly the same. My favorite ones are actually these big ones, but I've already used them all. This is the only one I have left. I got a lot of washing to do. They come with this little bag. Throw them in the washing machine and then they're good to go. Affordable, and they're better for the environment. For makeup, normally what I would do when I would pack my makeup to go away is pack it while I'm doing my makeup for the day. That way you don't forget anything, because honestly, whenever I pack straight from where I keep my makeup, I always forget something like an eyebrow pencil or the bronzer or something crucial. We're gonna try and remember because I didn't do that today. We need foundation. This is my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me. Powder, a brush. I'm already getting lost. Bronzer and a bronzer brush. Oh, okay, a beauty sponge. I don't know which of these is my eyebrow shade. I'm gonna guess this one. Eyebrow gel, eyeshadow brush, mascara, and is that everything? Oh, lipstick. Okay, I think that's everything. Now I have to see how this closes. Okay, I don't fully understand. I think you just tighten these and then Velcro it shut. And then when you need to use your makeup, you just undo them so you can see everything.
I love it.
That's actually pretty cool. Okay, I like it. Okay, next up, I'm gonna paint my nails. I feel like by the time I get on the trip, they will probably be chipped, but that's fine. Little self-care moment. I'm also gonna watch Netflix. Also, fun fact, I feel like I need to paint my nails because I assumed all day I would paint my nails for this trip, and I got my boyfriend to go to the store and buy me nail polish remover. So if I don't paint them,
I'm gonna be mad.
This is my nail box. She's very neat and tidy. I think I'm gonna go with this creamy color with like a green undertone and the nail polish remover that my boyfriend got me. I sat this on my bedside table once and it must have leaked down and it literally melted the top of my bedside table. So gotta be careful, y'all. She says as she puts it all over her hands. Just in case anyone's curious, the shade is 356 Aloha and it's by Sally Hansen. Wait, I didn't even put anything on Netflix. I'm just doing this in complete silence. Guys, I need Netflix recommendations. Recently, everything that I've watched has been like an old rom-com because I just don't know what's new. One movie that I kind of like is Couples Retreat. They are, I don't know, a mediocre paint job at best. However, I do feel like if you aren't that good at painting your nails, they usually look better by like the second day, once all of the nail polish isn't on your skin anymore. It's pretty cute. And I just got a hair stuck in my nail. I'm gonna sit here and do nothing for the next like 20 minutes. I would love to be able to say that I didn't ruin my nails after I painted them. However, sometimes I feel like unless you literally paint them before you go to sleep, there's no amount of time that you can wait in the middle of the day. You will always bump them. So I waited 20 minutes and they're still ruined. Pretty much all I have left to pack is just like my charging cables, which I'm just gonna leave until we are actually going the morning of. And then for shoes, I'm thinking my Air Force Ones, which I won't pack yet because I'll probably wear them. And then these slides I feel like are perfect for like just slipping something on, but also they have like a little bit of a platform, so I feel like they look really good dressed up as well. So I'm gonna pop these ones into my bag if they fit. Oh, they do. And that is everything packed except for the charging cables and my deodorant. If you guys want to check out ThredUp and get an extra 30% off your first order, make sure to hit the link down below and use my code SarahB. I'll see you guys in my next video. Come follow me on Instagram so you guys can see what we get up to over the next couple of days. Bye!